Hello guys, Northwest Transport 390 here. Welcome to the 2020s. That's a pretty good decade, wasn't it? Today we're at Walkden, so not much for the first session of the 2020s. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed yourselves over the Christmas and New Year. Yeah, we're now into a new decade. And this time it won't be 4 sessions at Warrington Bank Quay as it was last year. Took 3 months to really get going last year, but yeah, we are here in the 2020s, and because Walkden has a decent variety of rolling stock passing through now, from 150s to 153s, 158s, yeah, we'll give this place a go. Coming in now, first movement of 2020. It is a class 158, 158 754. Becoming a little bit of a regular this on this line. Will this be the new 158 regular like 185, 147? Going into the 2020s as a regular. 158 754 can't be a million miles away. That is off for Wigan Walgate. Going out now, 158 754 bound for Wigan Walgate. Calling next at Everton, then Daisy Hill, and then Wigan Walgate. And a possible future regular on there, 158 754. Coming in now is a class 158 again. I don't care what anyone says, these are a massive improvement on what we used to have. Massive improvement. 158 756 is the second movement of 2020. I can't get used to not saying 2019. 158 756 still says Wigan Walgate, but he's going to Leeds. Next off, 158 756 bound for Leeds, despite it saying it's bound for Wigan Walgate. And we begin the year off very well with a nice little toad off this 158. Coming in now is the Manchester Victoria service. It is a class 150 on its own, coming from Kirby. The only train now here that goes further than Wigan Walgate. I like that because of the simple fact that because some go to Wigan North Western, we can now get 153s. I love it. 150, 130. Bound for Manchester Victoria, or as Acapella Rachel used to say, Manchester Victoria Toria. I'm gutted. Manchester Victoria Toria. Yeah, I've never quite recorded it. Gutted, to be honest. Off out now is 150, 130. Bound for Manchester Victoria, calling it Moorside, Salford Crescent, Salford. What the hell? Did Swinton disappear? Calling it Moorside, Swinton, Salford Crescent, Salford Central, and Manchester Victoria Toria. Seriously, that's what she used to say. Gutted I never got it on record. Because the sign there says Manchester Vic. There was the point where it said Manchester Victoria, and because Acapella Rachel says whatever's on there, she says Manchester Victoria Toria. Well, she now says Manchester Victoria because it's got Vic programmed as Victoria. Yeah, it's a long explanation, but yeah, that's about it really. More variety as now we have a 156 stepping up to the famous meme station at Walkden. Or Walkden, as the meme goes. It is a 156 429. And this is bound for Kirby. Feels weird saying we've got the service back to Kirby again. Hopefully this time it's here to stay. Going out now, 156 429 bound for Kirby. big old Kirby. Next stop for that, and as is everything going in that direction, is Everton. The main station on this line, hence the name Everton line. Coming in now is a 150-1. We've not seen a single pacer, believe it or not. But I'm going to get the God taste up in a minute. Because of course the GOAT now serve this station. The brilliant as ever class 153s. Here we go. Happy 2020 everybody. Some God tier stuff now. It's a 153. 153 304. Beauty. You little beauty. And there goes 151.46 for Wigan Moorgate. A little bit irrelevant really. Off out now, 153 304 and whatever 158 that is on the back. Bound for Blackburn. Lovely little tone there. That's 2 now. 158.797. Nice one, brother. I said, nice, bruv. I've done that for a while. Coming up now is the final movement of the day, and it'd have been rude not to see this. 66.113 on our daily freight service. I do know it's 113 because I've looked on Railcam. Nearly every 66 I've seen here has been EV red. And I'm not complaining. Absolutely brilliant. And that's it. That is all for this session. And that is all for the first session of 2020. So yeah. Happy 2020 everybody, Happy New Year. I won't be back now for a few days because I've got a lot of stuff coming up. But yeah, I do have a couple more videos to come out yet. God knows when they'll be out. I'm going to try and get them done at some point. But yeah, that is it for today. So on that note, Northwest Train Spotter 390 out.